Healing is happening in the every part of our life, including in the relationship, including in the financial, including in the health, and is happening in all around our life. Okay, so what I want to share is why sometimes when we are in relationship, we was like um, there is just only destroy or there is a broken or damage because actually is about um, not about we supposed to be perfect in relationship, but how we sustain, how we maintain our relationship and we work together as a partner. Because when we remembering our first meet, as we have a chemistry, we have a feel of the desire of a sex energy, desire of the intimacy, and with the opening heart, is it a pure love, and it's such a God gift to us. And it's pure is a love, and a God is present as love as well. So by this gift, actually, oh, is it the the fundamental for us to feeling a joy and fulfill in our life? But sometimes, why is it does broken or there is happening? For example, cheat, or you are uh, talk, or you chatting with the other woman, or you chatting with the other man behind your relationship. But this isn't pure love actually, because sometimes when you feel your relationship is broken or you feel like it doesn't really work, but there what you supposed to do is not we are stunning our ego, because actually cheating is not love, it's not a pure love, because what it's just like a lack of respect to your partner. It's just like there is no trust, and also the misunderstanding. So actually there is why when this is a challenging, but by this challenging, by the problem in relationship is actually is not make it to be a damage, but is making to be solid, to this strengthen your own relationship, because actually it's already the God giving you as pure love. Do you feel fulfilled and enjoy, and then later on it's supposed to be have something problem, and there is cheating, or there is have to talk with someone else, but because this just only the from the our selfish, but it's not the meaning we actually is not in the love with our partner, but not, but how we feel love again, because actually we just love it just pure, how we are connecting with us as a love fulfill, and then feeling the joy in the relationship. So we have to healing, because there is maybe there is still having past trauma with your old relationship probably, or you have to be patient if your partner is still in the self-discovery and then in the healing, or your partner in the deal with like cultivate uh, feeling, we have emotion, we have like we are living in the autopilot, like we was busy, we was do everything seem together when we have stress, and then later on it will be affecting everything including in our relationship. But healing is something make it come back to yourself, come back center to yourself again, come to your God. And when you come to your God in the place, in the God place, you will see again the clarity. In the clarity, you will get the bless from the God, and everything open as pure. But why like a cheat? Is it like just is damaging your relationship? Because you know, as the love is pure and you try to fake it, it will become up. But by come up with the problem, you can solve it, and then you can try to understand each other, because you are uh, already in love as before. So you have to maintain it, and you come back to yourself, both of you, and heal by self-discovery. And God bless, you will see everything pure. You will feel that joy and fulfillment, because when you just living, you can imagine how many of you will be struggle, like when you are in marriage, and then how your wife will be struggle, uh, like when you're living alone, leaving her alone, or when you have children, what they know is just figure of mom and dad. So you know, love pure is to feeling the joy and fulfillment in life, is not supposed to damage. But if that's uh, is a God giving us a task to maintain our relationship, to making more solid, and then to making uh, better for both of you. Actually, you can grow together, you can having passion when each other, maybe in the self-discovery. You know, in every human being, every person, every man or woman, in the time they want to grow, they make they curious with the thing, and they do something, and they make a mistake. But not the meaning is it like this is what you know, fail is not fail at all. Is it like make you growth? But not mm, don't, because of just misunderstanding and then small problem is will be damage a lot of thing. What you need is just you come back to yourself, find God in yourself, opening again your heart, and there is love. And then the true love is meant to be for you, it will be for you, because it's just naturally flow. This is gift from the God. So for you, it's like how long your relationship, and then it's not supposed to decide to be divorced, because maybe it's not will be help you, because love, truly love, is fulfillment, is making you joy. You just need to come back to center, aligning again with the energy pure of love. Then you will find everything will be more joy and fulfillment.